Hey everybody, Megan here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am making my 4th of July inspired American Pride cold processed soap bars. These bars were so much fun to make. They are scented with strawberry and blueberry and topped with cute blue stars. And the blue stars I actually had on hand from a previous batch I did. So now I'm just adding my lye and water solution into my oils. And this soap is available today on the website, seifeshop.com, and I will have it linked below. Right now I'm just mixing those together to make a nice creamy color. And I'm going to add my scents. I used strawberry fragrance oil from Brambleberry, and I mixed in a little bit of blueberry jam fragrance oil also from Brambleberry. My goal was to make it remind you of pie, because what's more American than pie? Plus, it was a white and blue theme I had in mind. So I just mixed that to make sure it was incorporated, and now I'm splitting my batch into 3 parts. And then I'm going to add my colors, and this is blue. I think it was blue slushy mica from Brambleberry. And I added a little bit of activated charcoal in there to make it the color that I wanted. And I also, on the red, which is the burgundy pigment from Brambleberry, that is by far one of my favorite colors to use in soaps. I'm not really a fan of the color of red, but I like this burgundy a lot. I used it in my Autumn Orchard bar, which is also on the website. A few of those left though. So now I'm adding my titanium dioxide to the last part. Giving that a little bit of a mix. And now I'm going to pour them into the mold. First the blue color. I admit I'm not the best at pouring. I have an old shoulder injury that keeps me from being able to hold the bowl full of batter for very long. So I don't get too worried about having perfect lines because it's just not going to happen. I'm pouring the white in there. And then I'm pouring the burgundy part in. And as you can see, it really set up on me. I know that there's other ways that I could make this. I could do this, other methods, so that that doesn't end up being a problem, but it's just kind of how I've always done it. So maybe one of these days I'll try it a different way. I'm drizzling the leftover white batter on top. And now I'm adding the stars. And now for the cut, which I think is everyone's favorite part. So be sure you go pick up a bar or two before they're gone on the website. And on July 4th, they will be marked down to $5 each. One-day sale only, so be sure you take advantage of that. And if you haven't heard of our soapscriptions, go check them out on the website while you're there. A monthly themed soap like this one ships out in each package the first Tuesday of each month. There are a few different packages to pick from, and they make amazing gifts. So if you haven't signed up, go sign up on the website. It's under the Soapscription tab. I love how every one of these is different. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a single soapy video. We'll see you next time.